Hi, we are starting the franchise workshop for Arvino. It's a very unique, jewelry brand based out of Jaipur. Along with me is the entire team. Founded Mr. Arvind is there, along with Pooja, Khushbu, and Kushi. I straight away go to Pooja, Khushbu, and Kushi to begin with, and then in the end, Arvind ji can summarize the requirements from this particular franchise workshop that we're doing, and what your expectation is. We'll start with Pooja ji. Pooja ji, what is your expectation from this franchise workshop?
Yeah, hi. So basically, looking to just get a clear and practical understanding. So I know how the model is going to operate and how we can succeed for expanding our brand, and also detailed understanding of all the models that Amit spoke about. Also clarity on all the roles, responsibilities, what the procedures are. So just an overview and understanding.
Yes, we will cover all of these things in the workshop today, and I will come back to you at the end of the day and see if you've met your expectation in terms of all of these things. Over to you, Khushbu and Khushi. आपका क्या expectation है इस workshop से? Please unmute yourself.
Hi, sir. My expectations is like how we are going to going forward with this, and how the process will begin, like for franchisees and the store we are going to work. That's it.
Great.
Want to know more about it?
Sure. Arvind ji, will go to you.
Yeah, same. Like just to be understand everything, how we are going to move ahead with this module. What is going to be from our side, which need to be taken care of, and regarding like product wise or market wise, which one is going to be work better for the brand in terms of profitability, even for our franchisee. I think this all we would like to. That's why we have joined the hands with the professionals like you to be understand and go ahead in the market. I think there's a one simple goal with you, Amit.
Great. Yeah, we've got extensive experience in the jewelry franchising space of India, and we hope to add value to Arvino's growth as well. So we'll start this workshop. We'll help you understand a lot of things and help you, become very clear in terms of the franchise roadmap that we're going to lay for Arvino and its growth plan. So we'll start this workshop now and take things forward from there. Thank you so much. Hi. We've just finished the phase 1 workshop of Arvino. It's a very interesting brand that is, operating in the fashion jewelry space, and we've just, created a franchise model for them. The framework is ready. We will now start expanding the brand using the framework that we've just created. I will straight away go to the team. I'll go to Khushbu and Khushi in terms of what their feedback is for this workshop, and then we'll go to Pooja ji, and then we'll go to Arvind. Over to you, Khushbu and Khushi.
So this workshop is so excellent, and we have learned so many marketing strategies and tactics shared by Mr. Amit, and it's a very good workshop. Like I have attended first time for like how franchisee is going to operate. So my feedback is very good for this workshop.
Great. We'll go to Khushi.
बहुत अच्छा रहा है। मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है कि फ्रेंचाइजी वाला जो वर्क करता है वो कैसे करता है। एंड सर, आपने बहुत कुछ बताया कि यहाँ पे शॉप के ऊपर जो भी होता है, कैसे स्टाफिंग करते हैं और क्या क्या अपन को कितना स्टॉक रखना चाहिए, ये सब कुछ आपने बताया। सर, मेरा फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस है कि मैं एक वर्कशॉप ले रही हूँ फ्रेंचाइजी बाजार का, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Done great. We'll go to Pooja ji in terms of what her experience had. She had a lot of questions at the onset in terms of how this whole franchise model will work out. I think you've worked extensively on the franchise development questionnaire as well. So Pooja ji, over to you in terms of what has been your experience.
Yeah, hi. So for me, this was very insightful. I think it was very well structured. There was a lot of clarity on the franchisee model, and there was a very practical understanding, and all the business concerns were clearly answered. So, pretty much satisfied with the first half of it. Let's see.
Great. Thank you so much. Yes, Arvindji. I think this is your dream baby. You want to execute this, and there's so much potential that we are seeing in this particular category that you're going to be looking at building. So I'll take your inputs on whether we've kind of structured this correctly. Does all the blind spots look clear to you now?
Yeah, I think Amit, with this workshop, as we really want to be go in a very organized way for the brand, and just we want this business to be success for my investee too. So I think we have worked on details and understand all points from all the aspects. So quite good, and yeah, we will implement most of these things in a proper manner. So it will be good for everyone to be join the hands with our video.
Great. So, stay connected with us as we are bringing a very exciting fashion jewelry brand, which has its unique, strengths. And I'm sure all franchisees who join hands with this particular brand early are going to make very good returns out of this business. We've seen the entire company, the back end. They've been working for so many years now. I'm very confident that this franchise model is going to be a strong offering for most entrepreneurs looking at buying a jewelry franchise, a fashion jewelry franchise in this particular space in India. Thank you. I look forward to rolling out this franchise very soon. Stay connected with me.